Hey friends! Let's get ready for another phonics lesson. Remember that phonics is dealing with the letters and the sounds that they make.
Today's objective is the same as yesterday. It is I can identify ending sounds.
Alrighty, and we know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet and that there are two different types. We know that there are what? Vowels and consonants. Very good. And we know that our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Let's sing our song. Ready? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels that I know.
Okay, so let's work on our objective today, which once again is I can identify ending sounds. So I'm going to give you some words, and you're going to tell me what the last sound is that you hear. And remember, I say, you say. Okay, so our first word, I say rub, you say tab, bib. So what sound do you hear at the end of all three of those words? What sound?
Very good. I heard you.
That's right.
But. All righty. So let's try some more. I say, you say. Ready? Stuff. Stiff. Laugh. Awesome. What sound do you hear at the end of those words? Very good.
Okay, last one. I want you to listen very closely. Frizz. Fuzz. Buzz. Okay, what sound do you hear at the ending of all of those words? Zzz. Great job.
Just like a bumblebee. Zzz. Whenever you do that letter, whenever you sound out that letter, it makes your teeth vibrate and kind of tickles. Try it with me. Zzz. Alrighty, now we're going to look at some words on the board that have that Z sound. I might have just given you a hint. Let's look at them. We've got zero, zebra, and zoo. What sound do we hear at the beginning of those words? Z. Very good. And what letter is at the beginning making that sound? The letter Z. Great job. We're going to ask Miss Barbara if she can write the letter Z for us, okay? So let's see. She's going to start at the top.
Okay, remember we have our clouds up here, grass down here. To write my capital Z, remember I'm going to start at the top and go all the way to the bottom.
So she's going across the top, diagonally down, and then across the bottom. Very good. Nice and neat. And the lowercase z is the exact same type of letter, except it's short.
Remember, we only go halfway.
So she's going halfway, across, diagonal, and across again. Very good, Miss Barbara.
Okay, we're going to look at a few more words that are up on the board. And remember, I say, you say, add, as, ask. Okay, what sound do you hear at the beginning of each of these words, Miss Phillips?
I hear ah.
Good job. And what letter is making that sound?
I think it's the letter A because they all three start with A.
Good job.
Now I'm going to practice writing the letter A. Thank you. Let's see if I can do as good as Miss Barbara did on her letter Z. All right, I'm starting at the top. Ready? I'm starting at the top and I'm going all the way to the bottom. Then I'm starting at the top again and I'm going all the way to the bottom. Notice I picked my pencil up. Then I'm going to the halfway line and I'm drawing it across. Notice my line did not go all the way out here or all the way out here. It stayed right in between the two downward lines. All right, now I'm going to write my lowercase a. Ready? I'm going to go from the halfway line. I'm going to go around to the bottom and up and right back down.
Looks good.
That is how you write an uppercase A and a lowercase a. So now let's review our little secret we talked about last week. How many sounds do vowels have? We know that our vowels have two sounds. Very good. They have two sounds. And we know that they're called the long sound and the short sound. Awesome. And so we know that whenever we say add, as, and ask, the letter A Short vowel sound is ah. Very good.
Okay, you have done so great today, boys and girls. Do not forget that phonics teaches us
The letters and the sounds they make. And the more we practice, the better we get. See you tomorrow.